Kerala Law Minister P. Rajiv announced that the state will appeal against actor Dileep's acquittal in the sexual assault case. The Ernakulam District and Principal Sessions Court cleared actor Dileep of conspiracy charges in the 2017 case. The case revolves around the abduction and sexual assault of a prominent Malayali actress in a moving car on February 17, 2017. The bench found that the prosecution could not prove that Dileep was involved in the incident beyond reasonable doubt. Minister Rajiv has explained about how the state plans to move forward in the case.
There's a lot of criticism on the judgment as well. So, what is the next step?
We welcome the first part of the judgment that reflects the work of the police and the prosecution, but we are not satisfied with the second part of the judgment. We are waiting for the full text of the judgment. After that, we could find what are the findings of the judge to acquit this for accused. But this judgment convicted 6 accused. That's a good signal. And the government gave full freedom to the police team, and we have incorporated the police team with good track records and under the leadership of a woman police officer. And whenever is needed, the government entrusted senior advocates, not only in these trial courts, in High Court and also Supreme Court. We did our best. The government is always stand with the survival, and she and her family and friends, all of them already mentioned this in the beginning. And I think the government has decided to go for an appeal. We have discussed with the Director General of Prosecution and the Chief Minister and other officers, and Chief Minister has given direction. After going to the details of judgment, whatever steps is needed, we should take that. And government has decided for submit an appeal.
Okay, so the Principal Addition Sessions Judge, she in our conviction order, she was saying that the prosecution could not really prove the conspiracy part of theory against the number 8 accused, that is the Dileep, at the Dileep. So how are we going to fill this loopholes when you go for an higher court appeal?
Whenever an accused is acquitted, then this is the general phrase. All judges should mention this. On the basis of that, they acquit this accused. Then why and how? That we can find only after reading the full judgment. The prosecution and the Director General of Prosecution, they will do that work after getting the judgment. And their submission is they have done their best of their work. And as per my understanding, the prosecution has submitted 1,512 pages, 5 volumes of this report to the draft, to the trial court itself. They did a very good work. But the courts applied its own mind. After getting the judgment, we could find what are the basis of this judgment. But the first part is welcoming and it's a good message. But second part is not satisfactory. That is why the government has decided to submit an appeal.
Thank you.